Hi, today I'm in front of your Realme 10 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. Let's check first this paper box. Here we can find the SIM eject tool and some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guide and the warranty card. And let's check the another one. Here we can see the just charger brick, the original one, with all of the specs and the cable. This is the USB Type-C cable. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.